the source of many everyday foods like bread and pasta. The journey of wheat begins in these vast fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. Today, we'll follow the path of wheat from the moment it's harvested to its arrival at the storage facility. When the wheat heads are ripe, golden brown, and firm, it's time for harvest. Timing is crucial. Harvesting too early means the wheat is still moist, while harvesting too late can reduce quality due to weather or over-drying. Scene 2 farmers start their workday early, checking and preparing these powerful combine harvesters. These machines can cut, thresh, and separate wheat kernels in a single pass. These machines are essential for modern wheat harvesting, making the job faster and more efficient than ever before. As the combine moves through the rows of wheat, its sharp cutting blades slice the stalks, while the internal mechanism separates the kernels from the stalks and husks. This is known as threshing, which removes the valuable wheat kernels and discards the rest of the plant. The precious wheat kernels are collected in the combine's storage hopper, while the straw and chaff can be returned to the soil as natural fertilizer. When the hopper is full, the wheat is transferred to a truck, pouring down steadily and filling up the truck's large storage compartment. Each truckload carries tons of wheat, bringing the kernels from the field to their next destination, the grain elevator. At the storage facility, the wheat is unloaded and inspected to ensure it meets quality standards. Moisture levels, cleanliness, and ripeness are all carefully evaluated, ensuring only the best kernels are stored. The wheat is poured into these towering silos, where it can be stored for months until it's ready to be processed. The silos protect the wheat from moisture, pests, and other external factors. And so, this is the journey of wheat from the field to storage, a journey that requires precision, care, and the hard work of countless farmers. From here, the wheat will continue its journey to become the familiar foods we enjoy on our tables. It's wonderful to watch the harvesters working in the fields.